Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, magsasagot na naman tayo ng isang recent question from the UP Math Wizard mga Lodi Cakes. So this was in the final round, I think. In the Wizards round in which the given question is good for 60 seconds. Paunahan yung mga contestant. So using the buzzer. So dapat mabilis ka when it comes to this type of questions. This is under trigonometry. And this is the question. Evaluate the expression 1 plus tangent 23 degrees multiplied by 1 plus tangent 22 degrees. Actually, nanonood ako nung time na yun. Tapos nung nakita ko yung problem, ay, automatic 2 na yung sagot. Sir IJ, paano mo po na-conclude na 2 yung sagot? Siyempre, based na rin sa experience, sa mga past problems na nasolve ni Sir IJ. Siyempre, sa sobrang dami ba naman nating competition experiences, pati dun sa mga practice and pag-grind natin, matik na yan. May identity kasi dito mga Lodi Cake. So, let us proceed with the solution. So, first, analyze muna natin that 23 and 22 degrees are angles having a sum equal to, okay, that is correct. 23 plus 22 is 45 degrees. Okay, 23 plus 22 equals 45 degrees. So, kumbaga, kapag ginamitan kasi natin to ng proof, ang mangyayari kasi dito mga Lodi Cakes, this will be 1 plus tangent x multiplied by 1 plus tangent of 45 degrees minus x. So, kumbaga yung proof, ang tawag dito. Sorry mga Lodi guys. Kumbaga, kayo nang bahala mag-prove nito, pero it follows na ang gagamitin nyo dito is the difference identity. That is tangent ng a minus b equals tan a minus tan b all over 1 plus tangent A, tangent B. Okay? Take note yan mga Lodi Cakes, yan yung pinakagagamitin nyo. So automatically, kapag ito yung minultiply pala natin Sir IJ, 1 plus tangent x multiplied by 1 plus tangent 45 degrees minus x, that is equivalent to 2. Kaya ang final answer dito sa problem na to ay 2. So Sir IJ, ano po ba yung sense ng video nyo ngayon kung yun naman automatic yung sagot? So pwede nyo naman i-drive yan, pero ang sense po ng video natin is I can give some variations of the given question. Pwede rin kasi itanong sa inyo, evaluate the value of 1 plus tangent 1 degrees, mga idolo, multiplied by 1 plus tangent 2 degrees, multiplied by 1 plus tangent of 44, so let's say 45 degrees. So 44 degrees times 1 plus tangent of 45 degrees. So applying the same identity, so tingnan natin na ano ba yung mga angles na merong sum na 1 and na 45? So, itong 1 and 44, 45 yan. 2 and, kumbaga, ilista natin 1, 44. 2, 20, 2, 43. 3, 42. Hanggang dumating ka sa point na 22, 23. Diba every pair, mga idol, applying the given identity na sinabi ni Sir IJ, ito automatically equals 2. So, since you have 44 here, hindi pa to kasama. So, 45 divided by 2, that is 22 pairs of product which is equal to 2. So, parang 2 times 2 times 2, hanggang dumating ka sa pang 22 na 2. So, mga idolo, so that is equivalent to 2 raised to 22. However, tangent 45 degrees is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Applying property, product, mga idol, 22 plus 1. The answer for the given problem is 2 raised to 23. Kung ito lang yung tanong mga idol, automatically 2 na agad yung sagot dyan. So yun guys, pwede nyo gamitin ng identity pero maka-cancel lang yan. Ang matitira pong sagot ay 2. So sana guys, may natutunan kayo for today's video. And ayun mga Lodi Cakes, happy International Day of Mathematics and happy Pi Day na rin mga Lodi Cakes. Kahit Thursday. Hindi, joke lang mga idol. Because it's March 14, 3.14. And kita-kits tayo sa mga next math tutorial videos sa Sir IJ. Have a great day mga idolo. God bless and thank you.